Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of love and relationships. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to keep your partner interested and prevent a breakup. First and foremost, remember that true love means accepting your partner's past, flaws, and everything in between. It's essential to understand that someone else doesn't have to be right for you to feel right about them. We all have our own unique preferences, and it's important to respect this individuality. Trust me, your partner will never leave you if they truly love you. Even if they do break up with you, it's not because they found someone else better. It's because they found themselves. Everyone deserves the chance to love themselves, even if it means losing a relationship in the process. So, my friends, let's focus on loving ourselves first before we worry about losing someone else. By nurturing our own self-love and acceptance, we can create a strong foundation for healthy relationships that last. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care of yourselves and remember to love yourself first.